Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and a young lady emailed me tonight, and when she would type out, and I'm going to do this, so before you click on anything, if you'll make your font bigger, and I'm doing this especially for the video, and do it on artistic text, and I don't really care about paragraph text, so then when you type out, it's going to be a bigger font. Anyway, when she would do this, and then when she would click off of it, it would change to a capital A. And what's happened here somehow, I think this is default, but I think what's happened, if you go to Tools and Options and go down to Text under Workspace and Quick Correct, and well, it should have done it right there because I've got it checked. Capitalize first letters of sentences. But it's not doing it now. It just did it a while ago. So let's do an A, and then when I hit enter, it changes. There it is. So when she hits enter, she just wants to use a little A. So if you type the A, as soon as you hit enter or go to the next letter, it types in a capital A. So what you need to do is go to Tools, Options, Workspace, and then under Workspace is Text, and under Text is Quick Correct, and you need to uncheck that. And then hit OK, and then I would always go to Tools and save as default. So now let's delete that one, and let's type in the letter A and then hit enter, and it's going to stay a small a. This doesn't change anything because you can still capitalize your letters, and it won't change anything because you've made it capital. So if you're ever maybe printing something that has to be corrected, all the sentences need to be a capital, the first of the sentence, just go to Tools, Options, and I'm going to close this down. So this is what it's going to look like. Hit on Workspace, go down to Text, and go to Quick Correct. And you can change a lot of stuff inside here. You know, capitalize names of days, you know, and you could have all that stuff either checked or unchecked. But this way, her problem solved because this is what's going to happen. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit. Thank you for watching.